Hi everyone, we are one of the Prama partner. This YouTube channel will provide you information on Prama products. We will provide details on selecting the products for your requirement. How to select the product for your requirement. What are the basic features you need? Which product will satisfy your requirement? PT represents Prama technology. DR represents DVR or digital recorder. 1A represents basic model. 00 represents channel number. G represents 720 and 1080 light. K represents motherboard version. 1 represents it supports 1 HDD. This DVR will support video compression types H.265 Pro Plus, H.265 Pro, H.265, H.264 Plus, H.264. There are the video compression techniques that the DVR will provide. DVR will support all the 5 input signal standard HD TVI, AHD, CVI CVBS, IP camera. DVR will support distance of 1200 meter distance if you use Prama 720p HD camera. DVR will support H.265 Pro Plus, which help in increasing the recording days. All the channels will support 1080p recording resolution. DVR will support 1 HDD and the maximum capacity will be 4 TB. DVR have smart search option which help in searching the footage easily. This will reduce the searching time. DDNS service is available for network management. 4-channel DVR will support bandwidth of 64 Mbps and 8-channel DVR will support bandwidth of 72 Mbps. Encoding represents the process of compressing and changing the format from raw video content to a digital file. DVR is having 2 encoding mode 1080p light mode enable and disable. When 1080p light mode not enabled, DVR will support 720p, WD1, 4CIF, VGA, and CIF. When 1080p light mode enabled, DVR will support 1080p light, 720p, WD1, 4CIF, VGA and CIF. 4-channel DVR will support mainstream frame rate. When 1080p not enabled, DVR will work in 720p WD1, 4CIF, VGA, CIF with 25 fps, which is live stream. When 1080p enabled, DVR will work in 1080p light, 720p WD1, 4CIF, VGA, CIF with 25 fps, which is live stream. 4-channel DVR will support substream frame rate, 4CIF, CIF, QVGA with 25 fps, which is mobile view. 8-channel DVR will support mainstream frame rate. When 1080p not enabled, DVR will work in 720p WD1, 4CIF, VGA, CIF with 15 fps, which is not live stream. In SD stream mode, DVR will work in WD1, 4CIF, VGA, CIF with 25 fps, which is live stream. When 1080p enabled, DVR will work in 1080p light, 720p WD1, 4CIF, VGA, CIF with 15 fps, which is not live stream. 8-channel DVR will support substream frame rate, 4CIF, CIF, QVGA with 25 fps, which is mobile view. Video bitrate for recording and mainstream live view and substream mobile view support minimum 32 kbps to 4 mbps. DVR will support video stream, video and audio stream. Audio compression it will support G.711U. Audio bitrate 64 kbps. 4-channel DVR will support 1 IP camera, which is 4 HD camera plus 1 IP camera, totally 5 channels. It support 1080p IP camera resolution. 8-channel DVR will support 2 IP camera, which is 8 HD camera plus 2 IP camera, totally 10 channels. It support 5 MP IP camera resolution. It have H.265 plus, H.265, H.264 plus, H.264 IP cameras. Analog video connector type is BNC. It will support 1.0 voltage peak to peak, 75 ohms. DVR can process all the 4 signal input: standard HDTVI signal, AHD signal, HDCVI signal, and CVBS old traditional analog input. HDMI VGA will support first channel in 1920 into 1080, 1280 into 1024, 1280 into 70 and 1024 into 768. HDMI and VGA will provide the same output. It is not separate output. In other words, mouse will work in both output at the same time. Changes done in HDMI will be shown in VGA also. 1 audio input 2.0 voltage peak to peak, 1K ohms. Connector type RCA. 1 audio output, analog output, 1K ohms. DVR support 2-way audio. When enabling 2-way talk on U mobile app, you can speak in U mobile app, and in DVR end you can hear the audio in audio out channel. In 4-channel DVR you can get 4 grid playback. If you add 1 IP camera you will get a separate grid in next page. In 8-channel DVR you can get 8 grid playback. If you add 2 IP camera you will get a separate grid in next page. 4-channel DVR will support 32 remote network connection. 8-channel DVR will support 64 remote network connection. Network protocol that will be supported by DVR: TCP/IP, PPPoE, DHCP, DNS, DDNS, NTP, SADP, SMTP, NFS, ISCSI, UPnP, HTTPS. DVR have 1 RJ45 LAN port which support 10/100 Mbps self-adaptive. Auxiliary interface refers to an additional or secondary connection. It have 1 SATA interface to connect HDD, and maximum capacity of the HDD will be 4 TB. Alarm in out not available. It is a basic DVR. DVR will have 2 USB in backside and its version is 2.0. Cameras in night mode. Two megapixel camera in night view. 5 megapixel camera in night view. 2 megapixel torrent camera in night view. Cameras in day mode. Two megapixel camera in day mode. Five megapixel camera in day mode. Two megapixel torrent camera in day mode.